Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, very sideways market, but technically on the 4 hours, since we have not broken structure down yet, the trend is up. When the trend is up, it's always a chance that it continues the trend. That's why I always say the trend is your friend. Now, to me, it looks like a corrective pattern, like it potentially could make another wave down. And if that wave down does break structure, then obviously we're back into the bearish market and it's going to keep on going down. If that wave down ends up making a higher low, then we definitely could continue the uptrend really at any time. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, the only reason why I think it could possibly go down is because to me, it looks like three waves down. It looks like possibly three waves up. If it respects this 78% and makes an aggressive turn to the downside, it might end up going down again. Now, like I said, if it breaks this structure with momentum, then we know that we're back into the bearish market on the higher time frames like the daily. If it doesn't break this structure and ends up making a higher low and breaks back to the upside, then we'll know that we're still bullish and that we still need to be primarily looking for longs because of the fact that our higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.